Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making this cute quilled flower pot. So let's get started. Already I have prepared two tight coils. This one is 12 and the other one is 6 strips. I have used brown. Now I made the dome shape using quilling mold. Now add glue inside it and I'm spreading it using my brush. Let it get dry. I'm taking the other tight coil. This is of 6 strips. I made this also into a dome shape and I'm adding glue inside it now. Let this also get dried. Now I'm taking this 1/4 strip of brown 3 mm and I'm making it into a ring. If you don't know how to do this, then you can check in the description box. I have given the link there. Secure it using glue. Now I'm going to assemble them. First take the 6 strips dome, then add the ring and then add the 12 strips dome. Now let it get dried. Now I am adding glue inside this and I am going to stick the small piece of this artificial grass. Let it get dried. Once it's dry, I'm just going to trim off all of them like this. Now I have created some flowers. These 4 are made using half strip and the center is also half strip. These 2 are made using 1 strip and center is also 1 strip. You can check in the description box for how to make these flowers. Now I'm taking this flower and adding glue on back side. And I'm taking this floral wire which I am wrapped using floral tape. Similarly I have done for all flowers. And now using liquid glue I'm going to stick it in the pot. If you want, you can also use hot glue. Similarly, stick all the flowers. And after doing that, this is how my cute flower pot looked like. If you are my new viewer, then do check out my other videos as well. Bye!